Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on YouTube monetization videos at once. So for you to do that, you have to open your Windows tab, then you open your browser on your PC. Once you have it open, then you search YouTube, www.youtube.com. Okay, you can see right here, YouTube. Then you go to your YouTube. Alright, then you tap at the name icon at the right top corner, then switch to YouTube Studio. Again, from here you can select list of videos you want to turn on monetization for, or you can select 30 at once. So let's say tap on this, then you can see 30 selected. Then you go to edit, then right here you can tap at monetization. Then you can simply turn on monetization for all the videos. If you find the video helpful, like and follow for more. Thank you.